Pick it up tonight, so it won't make a lot of difference. Supply on, turns the computer on. When it says stop mode, hit the hand. For manual mode, start. You are doing 3-phase, right?
Yep.
Yeah. When it says generator available, main breaker.
And there's no low idle and high idle?
No.
Cool. Piece cake?
No, let me show you something else.
All right.
In case you guys start having issues.
Yep. Call. What's your number?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you my number.
That's when we record this part.
Here's when the generator's available. You go hot.
Yeah.
All right, now these things run. The sideways goes to different heads. This is status,
Yeah.
engine, generator. 121, 209. So
Yep.
makes up for the thing.
Yep.
60. That's how many amps per leg.
Yep.
Percentage. So you can do that. If you're having any problems, we can see where your problem is.
There's a wedding. Yeah, we'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that's just the main thing.
Cool.
And if anybody has any problems, I need them down here
Yeah.
so they can look at this when they call me,
Understand?
and we can fix everything. And actually, I can get you, if I can't fix it, the boss can see this online.
Cool.
They don't make one for a new Android yet, the app. But that's basically it. Oh, when you turn it off, kill the breaker,
Yep.
hit stop.
Gonna do its thing.
Once it's going to run for a while, so let it cool. When the fans quit, then turn the battery off. And yeah, we'll pick it up tonight. All right. But we're picking it up tonight, so it won't make a lot of difference. Supply on, turns the computer on.